Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can put into s to the power of n plus 2 over n. So this one we have n divided by n, we have number 1. So if we want to put this one on numerator, so we have the negative sign in here. Next, we have the formula. The integration of s to the power of n ds, we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now you got s to the power of negative number 1, negative number 2 over n plus 1 over negative number 1, negative number 2 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So we simplify. And this one, that is about negative n over 2, and we have s to the power of 2 over n. And this one we can write like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.